You almost kind of got to be like that drunk aunt or uncle at the party. Hey guys! You never quite know when they're going to get excited and woo! And so you just kind of start to grow accustomed to it, and you almost don't even notice it anymore. And that's what I need him to not be numb and ignore the human, but to not get caught getting bothered by my weird antics and silly behaviors. See, when he starts blowing out, now it's like, okay, I might be quiet for a minute. Oh, yeah! Be silly and weird. Hey, guys! Hey, you guys! Wave that flag around. Where it's above him now. It's kind of pointed in his direction, but up and above. See him trying really hard to just get to that head down and relaxed position. Another way I'll reference this kind of thing is if you think about how a lot of 12-year-old girls are with horses. There should be more 12-year-old girl horse trainers because they just have fun, they run around, they hug their horse, and they love their horse, but they like do stuff. They don't just sit around. And gotta give them the 12-year-old girl treatment where we're silly and giddy, it's fun-loving, but old enough to be ambitious enough to get after it and not have fear. They're all great qualities that we can all add into our horse training. There we go.